In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install ChatGPT on Windows 2026 guide. We'll start by making sure your computer is ready because meeting the basics up front prevents installation hiccups later. ChatGPT's desktop app supports Windows 10 version 183.6.2 or higher and Windows 11. It runs natively on both standard x64 systems and ARM64 devices. The best part is that heavy lifting happens in the cloud, so your CPU, GPU, and RAM usage stay light. If you're unsure about your Windows version or architecture, you can quickly check in Settings, Under System, and About before you proceed. Next, we'll use the built-in Microsoft Store to guarantee you're getting the authentic app with automatic updates. Open your Start menu or press the Windows key, then launch the Microsoft Store. At the top, you'll see the search bar. Click into it, type ChatGPT, uppercase or lowercase is fine, and press Enter to see matching results. Now, take a moment to verify authenticity. In the results, pick the app that shows the recognizable minimalist spiral logo. On the apps page, confirm the publisher line explicitly says OpenAI. This is important because third-party wrappers or paid lookalikes sometimes appear in search. The official desktop client is completely free to download and use, whether you're on a free or a premium account. Once you've confirmed the right listing, click the blue Get or Install button. Windows will handle the download as a standard SX bundle in the background, so there's no extra setup wizard to click through. When the installation finishes, choose Open right from the store or find the app in your Start menu if you prefer to launch it later. From here on out, updates will arrive through the store automatically. On first launch, sign in using your usual account or with standard single sign-on options like Continue with Google. Always make sure you're signing in through the official window provided by the app. After you're in, try the handy system-wide shortcut. Press Alt plus space from anywhere to pop up a quick conversational input, whether you're on the desktop or inside another app. Finally, the app may request access to your microphone, webcam, or screen the first time you use voice features or screen-aware tools. Approve only what you need, and remember you can adjust these permissions later in Windows privacy and security settings or in the app's preferences. And that's it. With the official Windows app installed, you get secure updates, a fast launcher, and powerful voice and productivity features right at your fingertips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in